let's be honest, most traders don't fail because they are dumb or because they don't understand the market. The reason why most traders fail is because they don't understand the psychology behind trading the forex market. Today, I'll be breaking the brutal truths you need to have at the back of your mind before trading the forex market. Come with me. All right, so number one, lack of risk management. Okay? Number two, revenge trading. Number three, no trading plan. Number four, risk perception and fear. Then number five, and the last one, ego and what? And impatience. Hi, my name is Tony Sniper, and in this video, I'll be explaining why traders or retail traders blow their account too easily. So these are the rules that every single trader you come across struggle to handle. Do you understand? Every single trader you come across struggle to what? To handle these risks. Now, when you understand these rules, you would not blow your account, or you would actually be able to understand what actually stops you from actually making money in the forex market. Now, number one, lack of risk management. Now, most traders, I'll be reading from my notes that I've actually jotted down for you guys. Most traders don't manage risks, they manage hope. Number one. Number two, they risk 20 to 50% of their account on a trade because they feel it's going to play out. Number three, trading without a fixed percent risk per trade is gambling. And number four, real pros think it's probability, not emotion. Now let's break number one down, right? Let's break number one down. Number one, what did I say? Most traders don't manage risks, they manage hope. Number two, they risk 20 to what? To 50% of their capital on one trade because they feel it's going to play out. And number three, trading without a fixed risk per trade is gambling. Now, let me explain these two most important concepts. Number one, 20 to 50% of your capital should never be risked on any trade, no matter the signal caller. Even if I'm the one that sends you a signal, you should never risk 20 to 50% of your capital. What do I mean? You found $100 and you're risking $20 or $50 per trade. Automatically, you're gambling. Do you understand? Automatically, you're what? You're gambling because you're trying to see if this market is going to go your direction so you can make more money. But not thinking that if this market should reverse, it will blow your account. Now, imagine someone risking 1% or 10% of their capital. That person would have to wait for 100 pips to blow $100. But you risking 20% or 50% of your capital, a little 20 or 25 pips will blow your account. Do you understand? Meaning that person has more bullets than you. He can actually take 10 trades before his account will blow, risking $10, while you would actually need to take just 5 trades or 2 trades before you lose that account. Do you understand? Then secondly, risks per trade. When it comes to risk per trade, you need to have a risk appetite. This is what most traders struggle. Do you understand? This is what most traders struggle with. You need to have a risk appetite. How much are you risking per trade? Just like the example I gave earlier. If you have a $100 account, you're risking $10 per trade. You're going to take 10 trades before your account will blow. If you're not having a risk per trade mindset, or you don't know how much you're willing to risk on every trade, you're just going to be entering the market blindly. Just like my previous video where I talked about compounding and a different account for risks. You can go and watch the video, why traders don't last 6 months. Now, if you have a risk per trade, you can take 10 trade and you won't blow that account because what you're risking $10 on a $100 account. But if you don't have a risk per trade, then you're just trading on vibes and chill. Now, let's go back. Secondly, I said revenge trading. Now, most traders actually struggle with revenge trading. What is a revenge trading? You take a buy, the market takes you out and starts selling. Boom, you enter with a sell. Why? Because you want to make that money back. This is where what lack of risk management also comes in. They are all arranged accordingly. If you have a risk per trade, right, you clearly know that if you're trading a $100 account, you need 10 loss to blow your $100 account. Now, when you're revenge trading, take yourself as a sniper, because all my traders, I call them snipers. Take yourself as a sniper. If you want to shoot, right, for example, you shoot one, shoot two, shoot three. Will you continue shooting blindly? Snipers don't just shoot. They wait for a precise time and they attack. So if you're revenge trading, you're shooting like someone using a different gun, not sniper. You need to be very precise on what you're actually doing. Don't just go into the market. If you take a loss, go back and review that trade. Why did I take this loss? What did I miss? Did I enter too early? Did I enter too late? Take note of all that before going into the market again, not rushing into the market. In fact, I advise all my students, both physical and online, to only take 2 trades per day. Anything more than 2 trades per day, you're gambling. You're trying your luck to make money fast. Do you understand? So good. Now, number 3, no trading plan. A lot of you don't have trading plan. A lot of you just wake up in the morning, like I said, vibes and chill. You don't know how much you're willing to risk today. You don't know what time you're willing to get into the market. You don't know what time you're supposed to exit the market. Now, when I talk about trading plan deals with what you do in a complete day. If you wake up in the morning, do you first pray? Do you trade London session? Do you trade New York session? You need to ask yourself. All these things need to be written down. Now, when you have a trading plan, you make the journey easier for you, because you can confidently tell yourself that, okay, today, if I wake up, I won't be trading London session. I'll be trading only New York session. And that New York session, I will trade it from 12 p.m. Nigeria time to 6 p.m. Then I would close. I'm not trading again. But most of you just, like I said, you guys just trade based on vibes and chill. You just wake up around 7 in the morning, you've opened charts. You wake up around 12, you've opened charts. You wake up around 1 in the midnight, you've opened charts. You're just trading based on vibes. You don't have a trading plan. Please, after this video, make sure you have a trading plan and you stick to it. When are you entering the market? How much are you risking per trade? No revenge trading, okay? Then fourthly, risk perception and fear. Now, many traders fear of losing so much. They cut winners too early and they allow a loser run. Let me give you guys an example. I had one student back then. He's currently in Canada. He no longer stays in Nigeria. Now, one problem I noticed with that guy is that he trades gold. He knows how to trade very well, but whenever he's on loss on gold, he will continue to move his SL, then be praying. But if he's in profit, gold will not even move 50 pips, he have closed. And I called him to my office that day. I told him that, see, you're a very good trader, but your problem is that you allow your loss run more than your win. Have a fixed SL. If the market hits your SL, you were wrong. You don't need to adjust your SL. You don't need to push your SL. Have a fixed SL. Don't allow risk, perception, and fear get to you. Have a fixed SL. If you're targeting 100 pips, you're risking 20 pips, you're risking 30 pips, stick to it. Don't say if the market retraces to your SL, no, this market will still buy. You move it down. Don't trade like that. If the market takes you out, you were wrong. What do? You go back and review your trade. Check your trading plan. Is New York session over? Is London session over? Can I still trade? You take one more trade, 2 trades per day, and you're good. I promise you, if you're able to respect what I've actually been saying so far, your trading is going to change and you will see yourself moving from one level to another level. Then finally, ego and impatience. Do you understand? Now, most of you think you're very smart. You see a trader flip $100 to 2 million. You see Tony Sniper flip $100 to 1K. All of a sudden, the ego and impatience have actually come into you. Now, you forget that this trader doing this has actually been doing this for years. This trader doing this has actually been doing this for more than 5 years, 10 years. and you just started trading this year, you're just 1 year into the game, and you want to make that same money that the person who has been trading for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years is making daily, please change that mindset, okay? Because if you still have that mindset of wanting to get the same result with people who have been in the game for long, you're going to continue to move in cycle. Do you understand? Now, finally, one thing I want you guys to understand is that if this video slaps sense into you, if this video gives you more clarity, do well to drop a like and drop a comment of how you were actually struggling before and how this video has transformed your thinking. If you also want to join my free Telegram channel, I send signals there every single day. I also send them daily outlook to guide them. Do well to tap the link in the description. I remain Tony Sniper. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.